So this video is kinda saying goodbye to an old friend, my backpack. I have it for 15 years and it was great friend. I use it all these years going to work, going to college, to woods, for bushcrafting, for day trips, for shopping, and it was great. So the front was damaged. This black leather patch is not original, it's a fix. After this fix I used this bag for 1 more year. It has these awesome side pockets. They have this really heavy duty zipper, and they have like a lot of space in them, so I totally love them. They are secure, never had issue with them. Front has this clamshell compartment, so yeah, I put my screwdrivers and stuff like that. Also there is a compartment, 3 different pockets for little things. I keep spare batteries for my flashlight, and also maybe a big lighter and stuff like that. Additionally, it has this nice big pocket with nice beefy zipper, so I totally love this pocket and probably will cut it and modify my new bag with this pocket. So in front I did modification on this bag. I put 4 heavy-duty metal snaps. It kind of gives ability to carry first aid kit. Let's say you are in a day trip in the woods doing some bushcrafting things, or maybe just hiking and swinging an axe in a remote location. It's always good to have a first aid kit. With these 4 metal snaps, it's really secure and you can remove it from the bag really quickly, so it's nice, smooth. Comfort wise, straps are, well, they are okay, but they are not fantastic in any means. The bag doesn't have great ventilation. It has this heavy duty comfortable handle. I totally love it. The bottom of this bag has this really heavy duty rubber, and also backpack, when you put it on the ground, it stands even when the bag is empty, so it's comfortable to use for day trips, for bushcrafting and whatnot. The main compartment has a lot of space. You can put, as you can see, 6 1.2 liter mineral water bottles. So additionally you can put even 1 milk and then some. So if you can put something like that into your backpack, you're good to go for day trip. It's perfect bag for bushcrafting. So yeah, I'm really impressed how this bag hold up over the years. So good job, Case Logic. I'm really impressed.